Total solutions for any mix, any volume. All managed by Panasim Enterprise Edition. Panasonic. Total solutions beyond SMT.
Welcome to the Panasonic booth here at SMT Nuremberg. I'm joined by Hank Ito, sorry.
Hank Ito, yes.
And you're head of the planning and marketing department here in Europe.
Yes, my name is Hank Ito, so head of planning, and who came to Munich last year.
Yeah.
So it's been only 1 year. Still.
Right. Well, I hope you're enjoying your European experience here.
Yeah, this is my second time to come to Europe, so yeah. In total, I've been spending my 6 years in Germany, so yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay. So Panasonic has been working very hard on these factory automation solutions.
Yes.
The total line solution that we looked at Apex.
Yeah.
Okay. And maybe we can talk a little bit about this. When we talked to Panasonic in the United States, they were working with a number of different partners.
Okay.
What about over here? Are you working with the same partners, or are you working with different German partners to integrate total line solutions?
Yes, so direction is the same. Basically, we are collaborating with third-party supplier. But of course, there is difference. For example, who is strong in the US may not be necessarily strong in Europe. So we are kind of cooperating with who is suitable or strong, in the market. So, for example, we for conveyor, we are working with Agis, Agis. And for SPI, AOI, we are working with Koyon, Biscom, and also for material tower, logistic-wise, we are working with SMT. So due to the limitation of the booth here, we cannot bring everything here, but in our demo center, we will try to set up everything so that we can offer or propose total line solution.
Excellent. So, I think that's important that you're able to be flexible enough to work with these other external partners,
right.
and they all connect into your Panasim software platform.
Yeah, exactly. So basically, of course, some of them we will use our line network box, which is part of our hardware product. But most of them communication interface is done through Panasim, which is one window to all third-party suppliers.
Now, talking about Panasim, I mean, you're also working with that to connect to the higher level ERP systems. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes. So we have, of course, apart from independent module like material verification, automatic changeover, we have enterprise link, which can connect directly to their ERP or MRP. Also on top, we can work with like third-party software like ETAC or Kratzer or those kind of company. So we can act like MES or middleware. We can go both.
What about Oracle or SAP or these big companies?
Yes, so basically it's possible through Panasim. Again, so whatever the lower application is, so Panasim is one window to those applications. So of course small modification or development is necessary, but yes, that's the direction we are going to take.
Okay. So coming back to the total line solution, I mean, the way I see the factory automation emerging, the SPI system and perhaps in the future the AOI system is more becoming the brains on the line. You started, I think at Productronica, but certainly at Apex, you had communication with the SPI system to correct offsets at the printer level. But I believe now you're also working with the AOI to send messaging to the mounter.
Yes, exactly. So we have three kind of APC system. APC means Advanced Process Control System. One is, as you explained, feedback from SPI to printer, which is well known. Second is feed forward from SPI to the mounter. Also, this is we have already 10 years experience, and we have already introduced several factories within Germany as well. And the third one, which we have just introduced, is feedback from AOI. Okay, so for example, if AOI detects a shift, then after statistical calculation, if it's it's a trend or sudden shift, or it's by nozzle or feeder or head. Then after that calculation, feed back to mounter, so that machine can keep calibrated during the production without spots the machine. So this is something new which we are going to introduce this year.
But it gives an alarm back to the machine operator that there's something trending out. It doesn't automatically make a correction, does it?
Yes, it's automatic. Okay. Automatic. Also, another small improvement is that now we have also developed kind of error linkage display system. For example, if AOI detects an error, then AOI doesn't know which machine, which head, which nozzle, it has happened. But we have developed a special interface with Koyon that on the AOI you can specify which machine, which head, which nozzle, which feeder it has occurred, and also you can see the same in the on the mounter. So it's also good small Kaizen system improvement.
It's incredible the speed that this is all developing at, this factory automation. It's happening very quickly. Yeah. So I want to finish just by mentioning that you are opening a new is it an application center down in Munich in June? Can you tell us a little bit about that, and why are you locating it in Munich?
Thank you very much for touching on the subject. Yes, we are going to open the new technical center in Munich from June 2016. So one of objective or purpose is again they don't want single machine. So we need to propose a total line solution. So again, as mentioned before, so we're gonna line up, as it compare, and Koyon AOI, Biscom SPI, and our mounter SMT material tower, so that we can propose, total solution to the customer. So how much with that system, how much they can save, cost, resource, and also bring down their operation costs to make them more competitive.
So they could run their own boards through the system and make their own calculations to see what sort of improved yield they're going to get and savings that they're going to make by using a total line solution. Yeah,
exactly. So that's a purpose again. So not only on the presentation on the paper, but our again biggest purpose is to make them feel actually to eyewitness what we are going to do, and also get a hands-on feeling, what we can do. So that I would say biggest benefit. Yeah.
Well, that's certainly a very exciting development. So we wish you every success with that. And Hank, thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. Thank you.